kids to come and enjoy what could be a historic snowstorm, one about the only hill in town for them to find. And they're going to have fun when they get there. Stay with us, folks. We'll be right back after a break.
Yeah. Huh? Who's the mom? Not too big. Thầy thòng big rồi à, này. Yeah. Yep. This is what we do when it's snowing outside, right? Alright, well, you gotta eat it. Show the world how you do it. No, you're not. You're just looking at it. Yeah. It's good. Eat it. You're savage, Dad. Savage. Mom, what is this? Oh my gosh. This sandwich is huge. Thanks, Mom. Do Dad. Do you. Don't worry about the camera. I'm gonna make a video and then I'm gonna send it to Randy and all my friends. Show them how we do it when we get snowed in. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna finish that. Alright. So, Mom just made me a crap ton of food, and she asked me to walk some of it over to my aunt's house, kind of in the next neighborhood over. And I was like, alright, yeah, we about to go on this snow adventure, hiking through this blizzard. Not really a good idea, but we're gonna see what happens. Here we go. Whew. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell yeah. Woo. Woo.